hair is pretty rough, but did you have fun?
Yeah, that's what we call helmet hair, so I'm not even gonna apologize for it, man. It's full of sand and dirty, and what a great day. We came out here to Little Sahara State Park, probably about a 35-minute ride from our campground over in Woodward, Oklahoma. Out here, and you can tell, I mean, just like all week, you guys have seen it, it's been windy, it's been crazy, it's like 36 degrees, 30-mile-an-hour wind with much stronger gusts. We've been eating sand for about the last hour, but I'm just having a blast.
I can taste the sand in my teeth. Driving on glass the entire time. It's awesome. This is great. Little Sahara State Park is really an off-road vehicle park for the most part. There looks like there's an overlook. You can walk out and see it on foot, but for the most part, you got to be in a vehicle, an off-road vehicle of some sort. Didn't see a whole lot out there today. It's very, very cold, high winds like you saw in the video. So we were literally the only people out there, minus two other side-by-sides we saw today, briefly. We came down here and hooked up with Stewart Sand Sports and worked with Ann. She was awesome and super friendly and very helpful. Super cute, yeah.
And she got us set up with a Honda Talon 1000, which is like a higher performance off-road vehicle. And that thing was just a blast. And even though there were a lot of, like, you know, rolling bumps and stuff like that, big hills to climb, it rode smooth, ran like a champ. But she was really nice and helpful and easy to deal with over there at Stewart Sand Sports. I'll put a web address below. You guys can go and check out the pricing if you're out here. Very friendly, good equipment, just some great people to deal with, and I would definitely come back here, hopefully in the better weather. If you come, the things that you should know is that they only allow people over 30 to drive the equipment. You can be younger and ride. Whoever you sign up as your driver has to be the driver. You can't...
With a valid license.
With a valid driver's license. You can't come out and rent it yourself and let 3 or 4 other people ride or anything like that. You need a valid driver's license. You need a major credit card. They do have a large security deposit that goes on your credit card. When you bring the side-by-side back, they do a damage inspection and they refund it right back to your card. They provide the helmets, they provide the flags where other riders can see you, but you do need to bring your own goggles. We did buy goggles there, but make sure, you know, especially if it's cool, suit up, you know, layer up, hat, wear better gloves. I wore kind of some thin gloves and was a little chilled all day, but man, what a great day for a impromptu trip to Western Oklahoma. We've been winging it all week, and it has just worked out like a champ. I couldn't be happier with how the last couple of days have went.